Hello, my dear friends. If you care about your eyesight, or if you sometimes worry that your vision isn't as clear as it once was, this talk is for you. Before we begin, I'd love to invite you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. It helps more seniors find natural, science-based ways to stay healthy and strong. And at the end, please leave a kind comment sharing your own experience. Your words often inspire others more than you can imagine. As we grow older, we often notice that our eyes do not recover as quickly from strain. Reading in dim light becomes harder. Headlights at night feel brighter, sometimes even painful, and dryness or blurry focus may greet us in the morning. Many people accept this as just aging, but modern research paints a more hopeful picture. Our eyes are not simply breaking down because of time. They are struggling because the body's nightly repair system is losing strength. When we sleep, the body is supposed to send nutrients and oxygen to rebuild cells that light, stress, and sugar have damaged during the day. But if that repair window is disturbed, our eyes never quite recover. Think of your eyes like the headlights of a car. Every day they burn energy non-stop, exposed to bright screens, sunlight, and air pollution. Just as a bulb eventually dims without replacement, your retinal and lens cells slowly wear down. Inside these tiny tissues, chemical sparks called free radicals build up. They are like microscopic rust, eroding the proteins that keep the lens clear. That's why cloudy lenses and cataracts often appear later in life. But here's the hopeful truth. Each night, your body sends out a repair crew, enzymes, antioxidants, and hormones, to clear the rust and rebuild the lens. If you support that crew, your vision can remain clearer for many years. For many older adults, this nightly repair doesn't go smoothly. Why? Two main reasons: metabolic stress and lack of nutrients. When blood sugar stays too high at night, the body's repair signals become confused, and when the diet lacks antioxidants, the eyes have no raw material to rebuild damaged tissue. Imagine trying to fix a house after a storm, but you have no wood, no nails, and lightning keeps striking the roof. That's what happens inside the eye when glucose spikes and inflammation rise at the same time. Doctors often warn about high blood sugar for diabetes or heart disease, but few people realize that the eyes are one of the first organs to suffer. When sugar stays in the bloodstream overnight, it attaches to the proteins of the lens and retina, making them stiff and cloudy, a process called glycation. Even slightly elevated glucose over months or years can speed up vision decline. To protect your eyes, choose foods that keep sugar steady at night. Avoid sweet desserts or cereal before bed. Instead, try pairing fruit with protein or healthy fat, a few walnuts, a slice of cheese, or Greek yogurt. Even a short, gentle walk after dinner helps your body clear extra glucose. Small habits done nightly matter more than big changes done once in a while. Now let's talk about oxidative stress, another word for wear and tear from oxygen and light. Every time your eyes sense light, tiny sparks of oxidation occur inside the retina. Normally, antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, lutein, and zeaxanthin catch those sparks before they cause damage. But as we age, those antioxidant defenses decline. We eat fewer vegetables. Our liver makes less glutathione, the master antioxidant. And stress burns through what remains. That's why scientists in Europe found that people who ate more antioxidant-rich foods, blueberries, spinach, kale, had a far lower risk of age-related macular degeneration. So make it a gentle habit. Include colorful produce in your dinner plate. Think of it as polishing the lens from the inside out. Let's look at a hero that's often overlooked: melatonin. Most of us think melatonin just helps us sleep, but it is also one of the body's most powerful antioxidants, especially for the eyes. Your retina actually produces melatonin locally, using it to neutralize light-induced damage and calm inflammation. However, melatonin levels drop with age and modern habits. Bright screens, late meals, alcohol, and caffeine all suppress it. To restore this shield, dim your lights after sunset, turn off screens an hour before bed, and finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before sleep. This allows your natural melatonin to rise and begin the nightly repair concert your eyes depend on. Now comes the delicious part: Among all fruits studied, tart cherries have shown remarkable benefits for seniors. They contain both natural melatonin and anthocyanins, deep red pigments that protect the retina. When eaten 1 to 2 hours before bedtime, tart cherries gently raise melatonin levels, improve sleep quality, and boost nighttime eye repair. Scientific studies show that anthocyanins increase blood flow to the retina and reduce inflammation, helping cells recover faster. You can enjoy them in many ways: half a cup of fresh or frozen cherries, a small glass of unsweetened tart cherry juice, or a handful of dried cherries without added sugar. Pair them with a few walnuts or almonds. The healthy fats help your body absorb antioxidants even better. Do this regularly, not just once. The benefits build quietly night after night. Let's put it all together into a simple nightly ritual. 1. Finish dinner early. Give your body 2 to 3 hours before bed to stabilize blood sugar. 2. Take a gentle walk. 10 minutes after dinner improves circulation and lowers glucose. 3. Dim the lights. Softer lighting tells your brain it's time to produce melatonin. 4. Enjoy your tart cherries with a healthy fat. Think of it as medicine wrapped in sweetness. 5. Prepare a peaceful sleep space. Cool, dark, quiet. Even a thin line of light can suppress melatonin. 6. Stay consistent. One good night helps, but many good nights transform your vision. Picture 2 people of the same age. One scrolls through bright screens while eating dessert at midnight. The other follows this calm routine. In just a few months, the second wakes with clearer eyes, more energy, and better rest. Same years lived, very different choices. So my friends, here's the truth. Your eyes are not simply getting old. They are asking for support, for steady blood sugar, antioxidants, rest, and darkness. When you give them these gifts, they reward you with clearer mornings, sharper focus, and a gentler world to look at. Try one small change tonight. Finish dinner a bit earlier, or eat a few tart cherries before bed. Notice how your eyes feel tomorrow. And if you found value in this message, please like, share, and subscribe so we can grow this community of lifelong learners and healthy seniors. Leave a kind comment telling me what you'll try first. Your ideas might help another person see more clearly too. Take care of your vision, my friends. It's one of life's greatest blessings. Let's protect it naturally, patiently, and with love.